Isotherms. Let us say all these are cities, different places, and these are temperatures at different places. Now, if I try to join these places, then they are called as isotherms. And what exactly is isotherm? Imaginary line joining places of same temperature is called as isotherm. What is the use of this for me? Like, why should I know which places have same temperature, which places have same rainfall, same salinity? I do not know. But the point is, why do we need to know about this is, I want to grow rice. I want to grow sugarcane. You might have seen sugarcane can be cultivated from 20 to 24 degrees Celsius, right? Rainfall of this much. I will see. Based on that, I will introduce a crop. So to introduce a crop, I need to know the isotherms. For example, saffron. Okay, saffron is mostly grown in Kashmir. Now I want to grow Kashmir, like saffron in other places also, because there is lot of demand for saffron. In India, Kashmir-like conditions are present in Sikkim. So I started talking to Sikkim and I introduced the same crop in Sikkim. You might have heard coffee came from Africa, like tea came from China. Like this we study. The reason there is isotherms. Britishers took Indians and others on the basis of this. Now, based on this, what happens? Migrations will also be there. For example, in the water bodies, temperature, if it increases or decreases, fishes start migrating from one place to another place. Birds start migrating from one place to another place on the basis of what? Temperature. Okay, so because of that, these aspects are very, very essential for us. Now, in geographical terms, why is it important for us? If you see, consider this as equator and this is a pole base. Equator to poles. Can you tell me? Equator to poles. Temperature decreases or increases? Equator to poles, temperature decreases. Here also temperature decreases. Here also temperature decreases. Now, you get this? Now you say northern hemisphere. This is southern hemisphere. Let me assume northern hemisphere is summer season. Southern hemisphere is winter season. Northern hemisphere summer, southern hemisphere winter. Can you tell me summer season day, land will be hot or water will be hot? Land will be hot, water will be cooler. Now, everyone see here, land is 30 degree closer to equator. Can you tell me water, will it be hot or will it be cold? I am talking about summer. Land is 30, water will be hotter than land or land will be hotter than water? Land will be hotter. That means what will be the temperature here? 25, 25. Please see here, 30 degree, 30 degree will be hotter compared to 25 and 25. Right? Now you tell, from equator to poles if we go, will temperature decrease or will temperature increase? Decreases. 25 will become 20, 20 will become 50. Here 30 will become 25, 25 will become 15. Sorry, 20. 25 will become 20, 20 will become 15. Okay? So, because these dotted lines indicates places. Okay? Now, what is isotherm? Isotherm is imaginary line joining places of same temperature. Okay. Now, on world map, you will have continents and all. NCERT gives like this. Now, my question to you is, can you tell, see properly this. What is this? Northern hemisphere summer season. Isotherm is drawn from sea to land. When isotherm is drawn from sea to land, is it shifting? Is it shifting northward or southward? Northward. Is it going towards poles or towards equator? Poles. You tell me here, when it is drawn from land to sea, it is coming southwards or equatorward. So this is the phenomena that you normally observe. Fine, that you normally observe. Now you see, southern hemisphere winter. You tell me winter season, land and water. Which one will be hot, which one will be cold? Yes? Water will be hotter, land will be cooler. So, you see, if I take land to be 20 degrees Celsius, can we say that water will be 25 degrees Celsius? What is the meaning of that? Water is hotter compared to land during which season? Winter season. And then you tell me 25, if I go towards poles, it will become 20, 15 degree. 20 will become 15, 10 degree. 25 will become 20, 15 degree. Right? Now you tell, how does it look? Is it same as northern hemisphere? Everyone? Yes. But language, you see, check this. See this properly. Here, sea to land, is it moving northward? Here also, is it moving northward? But here it is moving poleward. Here it is moving equatorward. Here, southward or equatorward. Southward or poleward. This is what you will observe with respect to isotherms. Fine. So, you write down, isotherms help us to identify the places where there will be same temperature and it helps in cultivation of crops.